आज फिर से कहा जा सकता है कि
मजा
टुडे अखीर हो गई है।
अखीर हो गए
It means like we gave it to the max.
To the max.
It was a really great day. We really had the feel of Egyptian cuisine.
Yes, it was amazing.
Started from Feteer.
Yes.
And then we had this bamiya thing.
Perfect.
Bamiya thing. Tagine Bamia. Yeah.
Perfect. Actually, then you're doing a good job.
Yeah, well, now I remember the name.
Impressive.
And then we have this asfour.
Lisan
asfour. For a soup, it was way different than the regular soup.
Yes.
Overall, I loved it. If it was to me, I would love to try Feteer and Tagine Bamia again. Hello and assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
This is Zen from Fat Engineers.
And Salah from
What the word, It's a great time. So
actually, Zain, today the weather is like it's better at least at night.
And we are going to cover Egyptian cuisine. Whenever we talk about Egyptian cuisine, it is incomplete without
Feteer.
Yeah, so that's why we are here. And there are so many combinations of Feteer that you can have it with the sweet things and the savory things as well.
So sweet and salty.
Sweet and salty.
Yes.
So when you
sweet,
talk about sweet, it has to be
sweet.
Like what kind of sweet? It can be honey.
Yeah, honey, sugar, raisins,
Nutella, all
So
these
all
different
these
kind of
things.
combinations. And when you talk about salty, it can be either beef, chicken, or it can be stuffed with hot dogs as well. Feteer is made of white flour and which is usually known as the dough, and they have the same base. And sometimes they make many different layers of this Feteer.
Yes, it is layered.
Yeah. And if you see the combinations, these are mind-blowing. That is why Feteer is known as the pizza of Egypt.
عيني تضحك لما تشوفه، قلبي يلهف لوجوده، انا قلبي هايم مغرم، هايم بحبيبي الاسمر، انا عاوز كون وياه، يومي يبدا بلقاه، وليالينا تبقى سعيده وافراحنا دايما جديده. حبيبي الاسمر جماله سكر، بحبه وهحبه اكتر، حبيبي الاسمر جماله
shabab. We came here just to try the Feteer, but you know, we came to know they have other specialties as well. So you know, for Egyptian food, you cannot hold yourself back. You cannot say no to any kind of Egyptian food.
So I'm trying the chicken with cheese, and Zain is trying the.
This is the cheese and the craft
and the pastrami.
and the pastrami. I loved it. I'm gonna have another bite. So along with these things, there are olives, and I love olives.
Guys, take a look. As you can see, it's already layered. It's amazing. Look at it. Look at the cheese. Okay, so there we are getting to it. There we have our chicken, tomatoes, olives, and we can already see the cheese.
So guys, here we have the other Feteer. Let's do some dissection, and here we can see we have some olives. I love them. And then we have some Parmesan cheese, which is giving its very saltish taste. And then we have another kind of cheese which is known as Kraft, and it makes it more yummy. Then we have the small pieces of pastrami, and they are giving it, you know, very distinct taste. Normally it is not eaten with ketchup, but I'm gonna try it with ketchup and see how does it taste like. One of the best pastries to have. The next thing we have is
Lisan Usfour.
Lisan Asfour, which translated in English becomes the tongue of a bird.
But it's not a tongue of a bird, by the way.
So I think it's because of its appearance that they are so small that it looks like the tongue of a bird. For this to be a soup, I think it is more than rich. What do you think? Isn't it?
You're right.
Lisan Asfour, if you consider it as a soup, like how much do you like it?
I would give it
Like-
a 7 on 10.
Like if you have a plain soup and if you have this one, which one would you opt for?
This one.
Of course, man, it has to be this. You know, for a soup with this, you know, gives like a pasta taste, and plus it has this, you know, meat chunks.
And
in
guys,
it.
it's a big bowl of soup, by the way.
The next thing we have is,
Tagine Bamia.
now let me translate it for you guys. Tajin means the clay pot, and Bamia means the okra, the big lady finger. Yeah, so
I don't know why they call it lady fingers,
you know,
like
because
really,
it's so pretty. It looks like a lady finger. So as we saw it, first it is cooked on some pan, and then it is put in the clay pot, and then they properly bake it
in the oven.
in the oven. And this is where I think all the magic happens. Yeah.
So guys, normally normally people have it with rice.
But we are not normal people, so we'll have it with spoon. I was just trying to figure it out, like what is this thing inside. So just now I got to know, like this is vermicelli, and this combination with the rice is totally unique for me.
You've never tried it before?
Vermicelli, we have it as a sweet.
I saw you.
know.
I remember you got it for me. And
Exactly. But here the combination is amazing. You know, like we have the rice and we have all the vermicellis in it.
So
Wow.
guys, I'm going to taste the rice first before we jump into this and mix it. Guys,
Here's to the Egyptian cuisine. Here's step one,
now I want you to try it with.
very plain and without any extra taste. These are very plain.
Yes.
You cannot eat it alone.
Yes.
So here's the chunk of the meat with some gravy. Let's take this okra with rice.
You need to have more rice.
A spoon full of richness.
Actually, it's a spoonful of fat.
So जिस तरह हमारी भिंडी होती है, ये सेम वही वेजिटेबल है लेकिन थोड़ी सी बड़ी होती है, उसको यहाँ पर बामिया बोला जाता है. तो ये रही बामिया, उसकी ग्रेवी, और ये रहे इजिप्शियन राइस.
Perfect. I love it.
I think the combination of rice with tajin. Okay, so let's have the second round with Tagine Bamia. Let's take some gravy with bamiya and a chunk of the meat. Let's break it. It is going to be amazing. When the combination is simply perfect. It gets the highest marks for now.
Wow.
The location where we are in, it's in Al Qusais, and to our surprise, we have been in this locality for a long time, but we were not aware of this restaurant. It's the very first time we are coming here, and so far we love the taste. I think this was it for today.
Let's wrap.
I will see you guys in the next video.
Bye bye.